Once upon a time, in a world sprinkled with bubblegum rainbows and cotton candy clouds, lived a magical bunny named Daffodil. Daffodil was not your everyday, ordinary bunny. She lived in a giant carrot house, never missed her daily vegetable snacks, and had the peculiar talent of baking exploding jellyfish waffles. Nobody knew how she did it. Every morning, in her blueberry-shaped kitchen, Daffodil whipped up a super fluffy jellyfish waffle and said, "Boom! Breakfast time." As the waffle exploded, tiny edible jellyfishes would fly out, giggling and tickling everyone around. Healthy belly, happy heart, Daffodil would cheer with a wink. Our life-loving bunny adored bedtime too. The wisecracking stars would begin their irresistible bedtime jokes right on time. Why couldn't the sun go to college? Because it already had 1,000,000 degrees. The stars twinkled, and everybody laughed until they peacefully fell asleep. Daffodil also loved to help others. With her magical bow, she could sprinkle kindness spells. If a grumpy rain cloud was feeling blue, she'd whisper kind words that would bloom into rainbow-colored roses, spreading a heartwarming fragrance of joy. Curiosity was Daffodil's middle name. She'd hop into the local library, learning about bee roller coasters or seahorse square dances, sharing these crazy facts with her alien friends. The Zibber Zabbers was the highlight of her day. She reverently hugged Oki the talking tree and chitter-chattered with squirrels about the importance of respecting nature. She sang melodious songs with the animal choir, teaching values of teamwork and harmony. One day, the river started overflowing. "Oh, Nibbles! We need a ridiculous but smart way to stop this," Daffodil exclaimed. Quick as a snap, she hopped onto a flying pancake with crisp and crunch. Her chocolate chip friends. Together, they threw sprinkled donuts into the river. And magically, with every splash, the water receded. Hurrah! Problem solved. So, from exploding jellyfish waffles to helping in weird and wonderful ways, Daffodil the bunny's wild adventures remind children everywhere to always be their most imaginatively kind and wonderfully curious selves. In Daffodil's world, every day was a colorful swirl of laughter, learning, friendship, and a sprinkle of magical chaos, always leaving a heartprint behind.